My name is Dr. Kavin. Is it Ramesh? Okay, today I'm going to examine the cranial nerve test. Is it okay for you?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Just breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Okay. Now I'm going to give some fragrance. If you smell anything, just inform me. Okay. Now you close your eyes. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Do you feel any fragrance?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm going to perform optic nerve test. In this, we are going to perform visual acuity test. Further, the patient should stand 20 feet away from the chart. Okay, now can you read the least possible letters in the chart?
D, E, F, P, O, T, E, C.
Okay, the patient visual optic is 20 by 20, which is normal. Going to perform visual field test, which is static finger wiggle test. For that, doctor need to stand 2 feet away from the patient. For that, sit straight and look into my eyes. Okay, I'm going to start wiggling. You just say when you see my finger. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. It denotes that anterior posterior pathway is not. I'm going to do convergence test. For that, doctor need to stand 2 feet away from the patient and just look straight and sit straight. Okay. Just look at the tip of the pen. Okay. Now I can see the adduction of the both eyes and constriction of the both pupils. Now I am going to perform cranial nerve test 3, 4 and 6. For that, patient should sit straight and look forward, and then the doctor should be away from 2 feet away from the patient. Now concentrate on this one, okay? Is this now? I am going to examine trigeminal nerve. In trigeminal nerve, sensory. In sensory, facial sensation. For that, I am going to give some sensation. So please respond to it. Close your eyes and sit straight. Okay.
Light. Light. Pain. Light. Pain. Light. Pain.
Okay. And now I'm going to do corneal reflex. Okay. This is straight and look upward. Open your eyes. Okay. The sensory function is intact. Now I'm going to do motor function. For that, do each. The motor function is intact. Now I'm going to examine facial nerve in the sensory function. For the first, you need to sit straight and close your eyes and goggle and protect your tongue. Don't repeat your tongue. I'm going to give some ingredients to taste it and to tell me, okay? Okay. Next. Okay. Open your eyes. The sensory function is intact. Now I'm going to examine motor function. Do what I repeat, okay? Close your eyes, which I can't open it. Open your eyes. The motor function is intact. Now I am going to examine vestibulocochlear nerve. In that, I am going to test whisper voice test. For that, the room should be silent, and I am going to spell numericals and alphabets. You just repeat what I was saying. The doctor should be 2 feet away from the patient. Now I'm going to spell the words and the numericals. 3, 2, 1,
3, 2, 1,
5, 4, 3.
5, 4, 3.
The patient hearing is normal. Now I'm going to do Weber's test. For that, we're going to use clinical 4. The room should be silent. Now I'm going to give some vibration. You just tell me whether you hearing on the 2 ears. You feel the vibrations on both ears?
Yes.
If the patient does not hear the sound, we need to DNA test or confirmation test. Now I'm going to examine cranial nerves 9 and 10. Can you open your mouth? Yeah, soft palate rises symmetrically. Uvula is the midline. Posterior pharynx closes medially like a curtain. Now to do gag reflex test. For that, can you open your mouth and look upward? I am going to examine hypoglossal nerve. Open your mouth. Open your tongue. Move your tongue side to side. There is no deformity or deviation.